Okay, boys and girls, I hope you made it through that last lesson about addition and subtraction fact families. Now we're going to work on our guided practice page. I already wrote my name and date at the top. It is 3/20. So take a look. We're going to read our number sentence first. Remember, we circle the labels, circle what's important, cross out what's not important, figure out, is this saying some more, some went away, figure that out. Okay. Lee and Gail are having a party. 6 friends are coming to the party. How many children will be at the party? Draw a picture and write a number sentence for this story. Write the answer with a label. All right. Lee and Gail are having a party. 6 friends are coming to the party. How many children will be at the party? So here's our question. Here's the question mark. It's asking how many children will be at the party. What is it asking about? How many parties? No. It's asking about how many children. Circle children. How many children will be at the party? Now, we're looking for children. We might not see the word children, but we're looking for people who are children that are listed. So let's read again. Lee and Gail are having a party. Do we have any children here? Do you think Lee and Gail are children who are having a party, just like you might have a birthday party? Yeah, Lee and Gail. How many children is that? That's 2 children, right? So Lee and Gail are having a party. 6 friends are coming to the party. Do we have any children here? Does it say the word children? No, it doesn't. But does it list anyone who might be children? How about 6 friends? Do you think they're children of Lee and Gail? Yeah, circle 6 friends. So if you were having a party, you probably wouldn't invite 6, dogs or 6 penguins or 6, spiders. So 6 friends must be the children. How many children will be at the party? Is this some more, or some went away? We have some friends, Lee and Gail. That's 2 friends. And then, are there more friends coming to the party or friends leaving the party? 6 friends are coming to the party. Some more. There's more coming to the party, right? So, let's draw a picture. We have Lee and Gail. You can do smiley faces. Lee and Gail. And then they are having how many friends come to the party? Draw a line to separate it. 6 friends. 1, 2. Remember, keep your picture simple. You don't have to do the big smile like me if it's too difficult. I'm just showing the excitement for the party. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always double check, count back after you draw them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm ready to write my number sentence. So before I write my number sentence, let's talk about the label. Where do we find the label? In the question? Did you just say in the question? You're right. Here's our question. How many children? We circled the word children. That's going to be our label. You know what's even better? We get to write CH period. We get to write the abbreviation for children, which is CH. So we always want to use the same label for every every number. So that's why we need to use just the word children. We're not going to write Leah and Gail and 6 friends equals blank children. No, that's too many different labels. Same label. So we have 2 children, 2 CH period. And then we have 2 more plus, oh wait, no, not 2 more, sorry. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children plus 6 CH period equals how many children? 6, 7, 8. You can check it by counting your faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children. And the answer to the question, how many children will be at the party? 8 children. Very good. Number 2 is what we learned about today. Write an addition and subtraction fact family using the numbers 2, 7, and 9. 2, 7, and 9. So, unlike the other one where we wrote our fact family going up and down, we're going to write it side to side this time. So, find your biggest number. Is it 2, 7, or 9? Right, it's 9. So your 9 is going to be your answer to the addition question. So we're going to do equals 9. All the way on the right side of this first line, we're going to do addition, addition, subtraction, subtraction. So something plus something equals 9. Something plus something equals 9. And then we have subtraction. 9 minus something equals something. 9 minus something equals something. There. I set it up kind of like we did on the other page, but it's laid out differently. It's going across instead of up and down. So we've already used our 9, our biggest number. Now let's use our 2 and our 7 and play around with them. So we could say 2 plus 7 equals 9. Is that true? 7, 8, 9? Yeah, it is. So now instead of saying 2 and 7, we could flip it and say 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now getting the spacing right when you're drawing these, when you do the answer first, it can be tricky. It'll take some practice. Maybe you don't even need to do that. Maybe you don't need to write your 9 first. We'll get to that. That comes with more practice. So now we have our addition problems. Now we need our subtraction. So 9 minus, pick one to start with. Let's start with 2. 9 minus 2 equals, what's our last number? 7. So we've already used 9 minus 2. Let's do 9 minus 7 equals, and what's our last number? 2. There we go. We have our fact family. We've used every number in every problem. We have plus, plus, minus, minus. Perfecto mundo. Okay, number 3. Which number on the thermometer is the temperature closest to? So take a look at your thermometer. Our line comes between 70 and 80, right? It's between those two tens. Now, is this line closer to 80 or closer to 70? Right, it's closer to 80. It's only one line away from 80, so it's closest to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4, we have money. First, we're going to label our coins. How much money is this? There's a lot of coins, and it might be hard to tell which one's which. The little guy with just the head, hardly even a neck, but he has no body, that's our dime. How much are dimes worth? 10. This one says 1 dime on it, and remember it's got the olive branch, the oak branch, all those. That's 10, so that's a dime. Another dime. So 10, 10, 10. And then who is this? You can see the whole front of his body. I'll give you a hint. These coins are the copper coins. Pennies! Abraham Lincoln. And there's the Lincoln Memorial. 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. We're ready to count our coins. Do you remember what we count first? Do we start counting pennies first or counting dimes first? Dimes, right. We always start with the biggest number. How many dimes do we have? 1, 2, 3. I'll give you a hint. That is going to come up in your tens column, that 3. Let's count these tens by tens. 10, 20, 30. Now we're going to count on by ones starting at 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. And don't forget your cent sign because this is 34 cents. And the easy way to check that, the 3 in the tens column means we should have 3 dimes, 3 tens. 4 in the ones columns means we have 4 ones, 4 pennies. Are we correct? Yeah, we are. Number 5. Divide each shape in half. Shade 1/2 of each shape. So, divide your triangle in half. Did you do a vertical line? Great work. Divide your rectangle in half. You could have done it in half this way or this way. They're both correct. I'm going to do another vertical line. What about your circle? Remember, as long as you go through the middle of a circle, you can divide it any direction you want. Vertical, horizontal, oblique, 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 any direction. But it just has to go through the center. So I'm going to do mine like this. Oblique. Now, the second step, shade 1/2 of each shape. So shade in 1/2. Doesn't have to be perfect shading. Alright, finally, finish the pattern. Remember, the first thing you do when trying to figure out a pattern is read it. Triangle, square, triangle, circle, triangle, square, triangle, circle, triangle. Figure out the rest of the pattern. If it helps, label them. Triangle could be A, square could be B, triangle could be, oh, we already have a triangle. That's A again. Circle, do we have a circle yet? Nope, that would be C. Triangle again, A. Square, B. Triangle, A. Circle, C. Let's see, A, B, A, C. A, B, A, C. Ah, A, B, A, C, repeating pattern. A, B, A, C. A, B. Ah, what shape is B? A box. A, B, A. What shape is A? A triangle. A triangle kind of looks like an A. A, B, A, C. C for circle. Let's read our our pattern to check it. Triangle, square, triangle, circle, triangle, square, triangle, circle, triangle, square, triangle, circle. Looks good to me. I hope it was helpful doing this guided practice page with me. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see your hard work